everyone, this is Samyuktha and this is my teammate Fazil. Here we are to present our solution. We've all been there. Joining a new company can feel like, getting into a new planet without any maps to navigate or any clues. Who my manager would be, what are the Slack messages for, what my project is gonna be, what my tech stack is gonna be, a lot of confusion and chaos. To combat this, we are here with our solution. To explain our solution, let us consider a hypothetical startup that we own called Skyfleet, which provides drones as service for live entertainment. Now, to onboard employees to our company, we have created this HR portal called FleetMate. FleetMate has two distinct features. One is the web admin dashboard, which the HR uses to onboard the employees, manage them, and other such stuff. And the second part is the Flutter app, which the employee uses to onboard themselves to the company. Now, the question might come, why there are like two different categories here? The the HR dashboard is created as a web app because employees can easily use that on their company provided laptops. Whereas for the employees, taking pictures, uploading the document, sending the document to the computer and then uploading it from there can be little tedious. So an application which can be downloaded in any handheld devices like mobile, and then where the employees can onboard easily and seamlessly on the go. So to facilitate with that, we have come up with the Flutter app. Now let us get into a deep dive of the solution.
Hello, I'm Fazil and I'm the HR of this company Skyfleet, and I'm going to use this FleetMate software to onboard the new employee. So I'm just logging with my credentials. So I got a dashboard. Now I need to add a new employee here. So I'm just going here and just fill the basic details of the employee along with the email address of the employee, the role that particular employee is going to have, and the department. Then the reporting manager, and the joining date of the employee, very basic details. Then the tech stack which the employee might be aware of. So I just upload the resume of the employee as well. And once I upload it, I just click on add employee button. So it will process and send an email to a particular employee. So wait for it. Yeah.
Hi, I'm a new employee of Skyfleet and my name is Samyuktha. So let's see how I get through this onboarding process. So here, as you've seen, I've received the offer letter with a personalized email message talking about my previous experience and other stuff from my resume. Now the next onboarding steps that I need to follow, and also a personalized learning roadmap. So as you know, I lack Angular skills on my resume, which was required as part of the job. So I'm given some resources to actually learn that, and also the offer letter here, which is generated by AI. Now let's start the onboarding. So for onboarding, I'm using the app here. So it has the form to get all my personal details here. So let me quickly fill in these details. Cut. We have now filled all the personal details. Now let's see what happens next. Okay, first let's explore this profile option where I can go and edit my details that I had filled in the previous step. Now I see like 4 different options here. The first one is the uploaded docs. So for any company, say for the background verification, I have to upload all my documents here. But sometimes the process is very tedious. Say after a while I get a call back telling there is a mismatch and stuff. So let me upload a fake, Aadhaar, which has some name corrections, spelling mistakes and so on. Let's see how our AI helps there. So on giving upload, it says the document is rejected because multiple inconsistencies including typo and stuff are there. So it actually prevents the problem at the root cause here. Next is raise tickets. Raising tickets in any normal onboarding platform is so tedious. Again, you have to navigate through multiple forms, multiple email communications to and fro between the HR personnel. So let's see how easily we can create a ticket here. Say hi. I can help you create a ticket. What? Say like I'm unable to log in to Slack. Description. So I provide a sample description now. I confirm. So now if I go to the HR board, I see the new ticket has been created here. and assigned to the HR personnel. So creating any tickets in real time is as simple as this through our FleetMate. Next is the policy guide. Joining any new company, one might have thousands of questions about the policy in the company, like how do I reimburse, what are the work from home policies, and knowing all these things can be, going through multiple documents and knowing this can also be time consuming. So let's see, I'll ask like explain work from home policies. So all the work from home policies are updated here, and also the follow-up questions and call to action buttons for easy communication has also been added here. So it's again very simple to know about the company. Another question any employee when joining a new company might have is that what my team members are like, what is the current project like, how is the company growing, and such internal details. And so for that we have this new team method here. So it talks about the current projects, the tech stack of all the teams, the career path that I will have in Skyfleet, and so on here. So with this, I think we are somehow able to have a very seamless and good onboarding process. Now let's see what happens on the other side of the table.
Okay. Now as I start, once the particular employee register in our FleetMate, I receive the details of the particular employee over here, and I just go there and view the details of the employee, whether all the details gets filled in the right order, and just I click on edit employee details and generate the Slack ID, GitHub ID, and the particular company Gmail ID for the employee, and just click on the update employee button. Once this button is clicked, the employee will be notified with the relevant credentials for their account, Slack ID, GitHub ID, and Gmail ID. So I have the employee login as well. So once you go into it, you can see the updated credentials will be notified to the employee. So based on these credentials, they can log into the particular platform. And the next thing is we have the feature called Ask AI, which will basically get the details of a particular employee. Usually as a HR person, I'm not a technically skilled person, so and I don't want to go to Excel sheet and filter all those details. What I need to do is I just need to give a simple natural language query, and it will process all the things. For example, there are a lot of employees are there. I'm just checking who all are reporting to manager, say example Walter White. So I just want to filter out the employees who are reporting to a particular manager. Just ask the AI to do it, and it shows only Jesse Pinkman reports to manager Walter White. And if I view on that employee, I can see the manager Walter White. This can be used to handle various cases, such as whether the employee uploaded all the correct documents, whether the employee completed all the onboarding process or not, and all. And then we come to another section called reports, so which basically gives an overview of what are how many employees we onboarded, which divisions those employees onboarded, and lot of details for a HR. And the HR can generate a report related to a particular filters and all. For example, if I generate report, it generate a report related to all the department employees as well. So if I want to specifically return something with the AI, I just go there and put some natural language query and ask AI to return the particular response. Here I added so me all finance employees. So I just want to, instead of going over there and set the filters, just give the natural language. And here you can see it updated the report and returned only the employee who is working at the finance division. I can even also export this document to CSV document as well for further processing. And for the convenience, we have added the dark mode as well, so for HR convenience.
Hope you enjoyed our demo and liked the product. Thank you.